Ryan.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
He's not getting it.
It's way too high.
My God, welcome back to the channel. Nikki speaking. How you guys doing today? How long have I moved here now? Over a month. My goodness. Yes, what you're looking at is an Amazon bed frame. Before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Put on your notification bell, put it on all so you can be notified of new uploads and live stream. There's my box spring over there, and here's my bed. Where is it? The mattress not up on the ground? Yes, that's how I've been doing it for what? 17 years? Say what? I've had this bed, look by my side table them, Jesus, for about 17 years. Yes, I keep my things in good condition, but I've never got around to set it up on a bed frame, okay? Because it's a king size box spring and mattress. And I didn't realize until after getting the bed that I needed to get an additional frame, because the regular square frame, I don't know what you call it, those metal frame things that you put your queen size on, your double or your single, it cannot fit a king size box spring. So yes, I went on Amazon and I found this bed frame 17 years later. Wow! Can you believe it? My mattress and my box spring has been on the ground and I've worked with it, but anything that falls on the ground, like juice spills and all of that, whoop, the box spring soaks it up. So at the side of the box spring would be so dirty. But anyways, enough of that. I'm gonna get right into the video and speed this along so you guys could see the process. So here I have Raheem. Yes, we are struggle with the mattress. My God. Me said it's something heavy, you know? It's heavy. A king. Look on the stain them at the side. Jeez, I'm not embarrassed because it's not doodle stain. Okay? So enough of this chitter chattering. Let's see if Raheem and I can put this thing together. FYI, The reason why I needed this bed frame is because your traditional frame to put your box spring and mattress that holds a double bed or a single bed or a single box spring, it cannot fit a king size box spring because it's two single box springs that makes up a king size. So there's a space in the middle. So it would need something to hold up the middle, and that's why this type of frame is needed for the box spring that I have or the king mattress, because there's no king frame in the traditional frames.
You go.
At this point, I realized that the frame was positioned the wrong way. And there you have it, all done. Now if you look at this description of the item, it says no box spring needed, right? But no, not me, Nikki. I decided that I still wanted my box spring.
Yo! I'm not that so high! It's too high?
Well, kind of.
Right now.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
He's not getting it.
It's way too high.
Now let's follow the directions.
Yeah, that's good.
Good job.
Much better. I could work with this. This is a good height for me. Now it's time for me to look for a buyer for this box spring. Like I said, I've had it for 17 years and it's still firm. Look at it, crisp and clean, or crisp and clean, whichever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Put your notification bell on, put it on all so you can be notified of new uploads and live stream. We are blessed and highly favored.